So we're gonna be crouched in the door to get ready to go. I'm gonna say, ready, set, arch for me. Then I'm gonna push us out the plane. That's when your job starts. You have to arch your body as much as you can, or as much as it's comfortable for you. The most important thing is that you keep your head on my shoulder, okay?
Ileene, what's up, girl? How you doing?
Good.
Good. I see you in this funny looking harness thing. You know you got a giant danger sign on your back in 3 different languages. Girl, what are you doing?
I don't know, just jumping out of the sky.
That's right, skydiving. First time?
Second time.
Ah, she couldn't get enough. She's back for more. Excellent. Is there any special occasion on why you're coming to do this second skydive?
Not really, but hey, it's my 2 years in the US, so might as well just, you don't need a special occasion to just jump up the plane, I guess.
You got that right.
Yeah.
We're gonna take you, we're gonna put you inside our big airplane, wherever it's at. We're gonna fly up to 14,000 feet. That's about 2 miles off the earth. Throwing you out of that airplane, reaching a speed of over 100 miles an hour on the way back down.
That's insane.
I know,
I'm so
right?
excited.
So before we go, your friends, your family, they're all watching right now. What do you want to tell them?
I love you and I'll see you in a little bit. I know everybody's worried. My family in the Philippines are like, I don't know, but I'm here and I'll call you later.
We got this. Have fun. Good luck. We'll see you right up there.
You think I did yoga this morning?
Okay, sliding in on our butts just like this. Cool? That's how we land.
I'm gonna hang back here.
Yeah. See you, love you.
Love you.
You know.
She good to you?
She's very good to me.
We don't have to bring her back.
I'm on the first out of my own.
Customer's always right.
You can find me in the dark. I've been out here counting stars, knowing that my dreams ain't far away, keeping all my fears at bay. As I stare into
You go, girl!
my ambitions taking flight, gravity can hold me down, can't hold me down. I rise into the sky.
Yeah, it's winter time.
my gosh, it's so amazing.
So we just jumped out of an airplane for the second time from 14,000 feet. Here we are back on the ground safe and sound. Tell me all about it. What was your favorite part?
I mean, the fall.
Yeah.
The beach, that fall, that first time when doing all that, and the pool. He did this maneuver with the parachute. It was insane.
And nothing like this, huh?
Nothing beats this feeling.
So you do this again. You do it again with that guy? Yeah. Right on. Yeah, girl, congratulations. Welcome back to skydiving. Welcome to your new addiction.
I know, dude. Gotta convince the husband.
That's right, we'll get him out here. So what do you want to tell people at home who've never tried this?
I mean, it's safe. Everybody's a professional. Everybody's amazing. You know, just go for it.
You go, girl.
Yeah, it's like, that's it. Just go for it. I mean, when would you be able to do this? It's just go crazy a little bit.
That's right.
I'm home. I'm safe.
Hey!
Oh.
Your face is freezing.
It's cold up there.
How was it?
It was insane.
Was it fun?
Oh my gosh. It was insane.
I think she liked it.
Good?
Oh yeah. It's beautiful.
Think you want to do another one in 10 years?
We're like 10 days.
Yeah, I was gonna say less than that.